Every strategy suitability index is a score out of 100. The higher the score, the more suitable the property market is for that strategy. The strategy of buy and hold is the most common property investor strategy. You simply buy an investment property and hold it. Note that this is not a score for a long-term buy and hold. This is a score for a short-term buy and hold. And by short-term, I mean somewhere between 2 and 5 years, typically 3 years. If you intend to hold for the long term, like 20 years, then you don't need a lot of data. You simply buy a house that is at least 20 years old, not a new one, and you buy in a built-up area. Note that the longer you own a property, the more likely it will perform the same as the rest of the nation. To get ahead of the rest of the market, your best chance is repeated short-term investments. For more on that, see the Expert Busting series of videos on the Suburb Data YouTube channel. Since the focus of a buy and hold strategy is on capital growth, the buy and hold score is the demand to supply ratio. It will be the same value. It is in the list of strategy suitability indexes simply for completeness, but is just a duplicate for the DSR. Many metrics go into the DSR. Some of them we do not publish, and some of the metrics we publish do not go into the DSR. You can see the DSR metric page for more details.